kwa sababu hata baada ku PDP na bandi ko sokolo Kenya Social Congress ngabona ngamatete kutora abajumbe ntubwate ekatoyo so coalition area asimatenge ko kare matete kurane na Jubilee banyo bato ko moto kusafanya sawa anyore ile opposition ticket tati kurane na Jubilee yakora ni coalition ticket lakini pia mbirionzi pi obira say because whipped from the center of a coalition
Mheshimiwa bona mambintete machikole gogoleta chinkwa na chia unteterere biregere bya obisoke kabisa. I'm sorry to go that way. Ekero korigereria you might not rectify amagosa abeire gose buyabuga abeire kurumaega na borabo kwane otebe ubuno buyabuga ringina ntobogendereri. Siasa bune yachakire kuna kobagenda kuna way full up to this time. Origereri Mount Kenya the truth is DCP yairire umulima. I don't know from where you sit gosinoro chege thank you. Mheshimiwa Fred Matiang'i karachiete kuligia epati arabe kagwa associate nero igari kuligia epati bwate national outlook lakini ekere bintu buna bitigarete bono iga Jubilee yes ne bwate leaders ba kurwese chinsemo amichinse lakini ekono mono ise kobuga nkurubusi nekero kuligereri you may not rectify that mistake if it's a mistake lakini ekero kuligereri mugusina atakiri gutwale ekiama kya because aye bunogoteba baby byama na byale ko chasubwa mano gurusi bitwale coalition muri mu wata taifa coalition
tukanta wega mono and I've said this all parties are national by registration and governance organs
okay
lakini vision bearer abantu bakaba ne vision as a vision bearer lakini wakezi kusi batengiza vision bearer for Jubilee right you don't necessarily have a central political party now Gachagua is a vision bearer for DCP and apparently comes from Mount Kenya. The politics is local. We cannot run away from that fact, my brother. We love our brother Matiang'i and he associated himself with Jubilee, which is better as governed before, and that the tide's changing now. Those are realities which are about to happen. Let me tell you, bro, siasa is local. Yeah, bono munda koranga na jinda chenko ngugu chmuina nobody do chile muina. As much as we want to be national, but first of all we must be local. Fact. Jaramogo Ginga said utararu mo Kenya we kuru a tribe get. When you want in tribalism, kuru motu get tribalism because you must come from a community to become a Kenyan. You cannot become a Kenyan fast before you become a Kisi. Please give me a break. So I have to appreciate that fact. That's why we are saying, but it is policy, presentation, performance, lakini above all, not that Matiang'i didn't perform. Tanago perform more about workers education. He didn't perform only for his ACT. He didn't only perform more about national interior. He had performed for the entire Kenyan Republic. But that's what Konya Laboratory name. As I want to almost automatic, although now what national appeal for international nation, I think the strongest thing I will see as I waited. As much as he's a performer, yes, but this a bonga point. You know, kala bando wenu bago itabete. Longa siasa is local.
Siasa is local.
Usidanganyane.
Siasa is local. Na ado tabire nto basa kongena na mheshimiwa umingo magara to nere as studio ni garo murai wiki amagia PDP na kotokonya ari kubulia mabulia manene anyope tembe ko yairaniria SSM ya ibuna ya ruchi. Mheshimiwa ege ntongereke genda tabono na ndingo ko irani national politics lakini taite kora ko iragusi. Young tax ngakie mo kera guachete no DM you can understand ngimu akorete ngakie ya usi abara imbale baachire very very young vibrant na abara toke bale PDP bale asigete but bono association ya abara ya babuate experiences siasa na ababale young na bokorole kananga gatima iga siasa buna mawate atuli koewa na birochenga
you know,
have you seen it by the way?
Not that I've experienced it. Getting granted, and I give them, Congole. You cannot wait oaekwe. Aba muraba libawe tuma mina patia eko. Hata mimi nilingia kwa uwanja ulingo nyacha akiwa kwani kama singepata nafasi ningeng'ang'ana. So